Hello people, this is Nidhi from Edulyx powered by Science Adda. Hope all of you are doing well and coping well with COVID-19. So today we are going to do a very interesting experiment, and for that you would need some adult with you when you carry on this experiment in your home. So what do we need for this experiment? We need a glass of water, a candle, matchbox and 2 balloons. So now what are we going to do? As you can see, this balloon is empty and now I'm going to blow this balloon. I'll keep this balloon aside for a minute and I'll light the candle. Now let's see what happens when we put the balloon above the candle. Take it far from your eyes and see, it went a little near and it burst off. Now we'll repeat the experiment, and for that what we'll do is we'll put some water into the balloon and then blow it. So I'll pour some water. As you can see, there is some water inside the balloon. You can see it moving. So now I'll keep the balloon aside and blow the candle and see how fast the candle blows. Why did this happen? So when air was there in the balloon burst faster, and when there was some little amount of water in the balloon, it burst slower. Why did this happen? Because the heat capacity of air is much less than that of water. So what happens is when we give heat to a balloon in which there is only air, the air heats faster and puts pressure into the walls of the balloon, and balloon bursts. And while when there is water inside the balloon, the heat capacity of water is more and it takes more time to warm up, due to which it takes a little more time to put the pressure onto the walls of the balloon, and the balloon bursts a little while later. And so that is why we could see that balloon burst faster in case of air and later in case of water. And if we put more water into the balloon, it will take much more time to burst. So hope you like the video. Please do share your own videos doing this experiment, increasing the amount of water a little more, and post it on Instagram and Facebook and tag us at @Edulyx. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Edulyx powered by Science Adda.